Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to install Kali Linux. Everyone know that what is Kali Linux and how does it works, what it is used for. Here I am giving a short explanation about the Kali Linux. So what is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution penetration testing and security auditing. Kali contains several hundreds of tools which are geared towards the various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensic, and reverse engineering. Kali Linux is developed, funded, and maintained by the Offensive Security. It consists of more than 600 penetration testing tools. All tools are free to use for anyone. He may be ethical hacker, security researcher, or a beginner for hacking. Make sure that if you are using the Kali Linux, make use it for ethical works. Now open the browser and type Kali Linux and click on the first link, that is kali.org. Every year, Kali Linux introduces a new version of Kali Linux with its updated tools. Here you can download any version. Now select the downloading link. Make sure that you have installed the torrent software in your PC so that it will be easy to download. And next, select and save the file. You will get a torrent link. Double click on it and the link will open the torrent. It will take an hour to download. It depends on your internet speed. So the next tool is VMware Workstation. This software allows to create a virtual machine for the Kali Linux. Means you can run the Kali Linux on Windows also. Just Google VMware Workstation and you will get the link. Open it and select the downloading link and save the file. It's also going to take few hours to download. I have already downloaded both Kali Linux and VMware. Here it is an older version of VMware. If you have downloaded the VMware, just double click on it and it will start installing. I have already installed the VMware. So next, if your Kali Linux is downloading has been completed, double click and unzip the file, or you can also say it as extract the files. For unzipping the files, if you are using the Windows, you can make use of WinRAR software. It's the best one I could suggest you. After unzipping, open the folder and double click on 3-box Kali Linux VMware file. At this time, make sure that you have installed the VMware. Now the Kali Linux will get installed. I am fast forwarding the video. Now enter the username as root and password as star. That's it. Now I can say it as we have installed the Kali Linux OS. You can use any tool for hacking which is present in the Kali Linux. In this course, we are only concentrating on the Burp Suite. So for that, on the left side, you can see the logo of Burp. Just click on it. It's a free edition of Burp Suite. If you are really interested in finding the vulnerabilities and want to become a bug bounty hunter, I suggest you make use of Professional Burp Suite, where it will be very easy to find the vulnerabilities. Now it gets loaded. So here is the Burp Suite. It consists of all the tools which are written in the JavaScript. This Burp Suite is similar to what you have installed in the Windows. The best part of Burp is you can add your own tools which you have created by using Java and Python programming languages. So how to do that? What are these tools? How do they work? How to find the vulnerabilities using these tools? That all things you are going to learn in further videos. That's all in this video. Thank you.